In this problem, the goal is to determine if a word can be created using the adjacent elements of a vector of vectors. So to do so, the main function calls a depth first search within each element of the grid. And if one element returns true, then it returns true within the main function. Otherwise, if no true is returned, then it returns false. And what the depth first search does is it gets the board, the I and j, and the index of the wanted word, and it searches within the board through all adjacent elements to see if the current element is equal to the letter at that index. And if it is, that element gets temporarily replaced so as not to recursively search for that letter. Then it gets the next index called for all adjacent elements, and if one returns true, then it means that the grid can be formed with one of the adjacent elements, and that can be also formed with the next index of the word, so as to make true that the entire word can be formed through this adjacent grid. And if not, then the board is replaced back to its previous value and false is returned. And the depth first search, if it reaches the end of the word, it returns true. And if it's out of the grid, then it is false.